Now just under 4,000 people report for work each day at Broughton. The vast majority live in Wales. Building aeroplanes has become for many a way of life. This group of workers, normally scattered throughout the factory, all belong to the same family.
We're not just the only family, there are other mothers, fathers, sons, because let's face it, it's the biggest unit around here, isn't it? So it's bound to have, and it's got such the apprentices from the beginning to the end. And once you join here, I think it gets into your blood, and it's a good place to be.
Were you pressurised at all into working here because so many other members of the family were here?
Not really. It's all really, because I got Cymru Wales to come here and wanted to come here from when I was pretty young, really. My dad working here, most of the family. I suppose you could say I was a bit.
Almost half of the workforce have been at the factory for more than 20 years, developing a continuity which allows the skills of aircraft production to be passed from one generation to the next.
Well, I came here from out of the forces in '56, and I met my wife, who then worked in the typing pool. And we just got talking one day, and I mentioned it to one of the lads, you know, and next thing is you're walking out together. And we got married 25 years ago. And from there on, you know, it's, as you say, romance blossomed.
Do many romances take shape here at the factory like that?
Yeah, all the people you saw this morning, every one of them has met a girlfriend or a boyfriend here.
Despite its vast size, the factory adopts a family approach in the relationship between workforce and management.
I think the relationship could be described as good. The number of disputes is relatively small, and most of the problems that we have are resolved within the procedures that are laid down under the agreements.
You've worked here yourself for a fair few years. I know
Yes.
there are a lot of people who've put in an awful lot of years' service.
That's right, yeah.
Is that an indication of perhaps the morale here of the workforce?
I would say so. At the moment, I suppose, one can say there isn't much else you can do. Those are trapped here maybe because of the employment position, but a lot of people are here by choice anyway, and I'm one. I came here in 1953, served my time at the Croswell, a local bus company, and I'm still here today.